Yo, welcome. My name is Akil and welcome to Conscious Crusades YouTube page. Check it out. Inversions are super important, right? One of the things is most of our lives are spent either vertical or horizontal. We're never inverted. And that's one of the few ways we can actually get fresh blood to our brains, by being inverted. I liken it to orange juice, right? When you get orange juice out the refrigerator, because it settles, you have to shake it up before you can drink it. Same way with blood flow to the brain. Blood flow rarely ever gets to the brain unless you're inverted. So, I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite inversions. It looks difficult, but if you actually have the proper cues and tips, it's extremely simple. And it's the tripod headstand, right? So check it out. We're going to get started. First of all, decide if this is enough cushion on your head. If it's not, go ahead and double up your mat. Like so. Double up your mat. Like this. Right? To provide some cushion. Now, the mistake I see a lot of people make is they have their hands right alongside their head, elbows are too wide. We want to make a triangle since it's a tripod headstand, right? So, the crown is the top, our hands are the base, right? Not next to my head, but down the corners of a triangle. And I want to have my arms in like a 90-degree angle. Also, I want to make sure that my fingers are spread, right? So, this time you can start and go as far as you are comfortable. Step one, come onto the balls of your feet. Step two, walk your feet in as close to your elbows as possible. Check it out. Walking my feet in as close to my elbows as possible, right? It's stacking my hips over my shoulders. Now, right now, I'm getting the benefits of fresh blood to my brain. If I want to work on balance, I just drop my knees on my triceps. And you can also do this with your back up against the wall, right? Now, I'm getting the benefits of fresh blood to my brain. If I want to go further, it's not mandatory to work on even more balance. I send my feet toward the ceiling, right? But in order to stabilize this posture, I need to send energy through my toes. Now, more stable here, I'm not as stable here. I'm willy-nilly. But when I send energy through my toes, now I'm stable. And I'm breathing. Tripod headstand. My brain's getting fresh blood. Helps prevent wrinkles. I'm stimulating my internal organs as they're moving up my torso. I can play with my feet, my knees, different variations in that a little bit. Or I can just be here. 10, 15 breaths, breathing, balancing. And in order to exit this posture, go out from whence you came. Bring my knees to my triceps. And go into child's pose. Let the blood settle. Tripod headstand. So, give it a try. Make sure, be safe. If you need to use a wall, please, by all means, use a wall and enjoy. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.